A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. Now I will show you our hammer product. This is this hammer, and thanks out of the combination out of this glass fiber core handle and here the head out of carbon steel, this hammer is not only very robust, it's also very low vibrated. And here the soft grip area is very easy, very comfortable to use. You have every time the hammer in the right position in your hand, and you can work with that very fast, very easy, as you can see here.